Hi there, welcome to CodeEdge SAP tutorial. In this video, we'll learn SAP UI5 and Fiori topics in a very simple and easy to understand way. So without wasting any time, let's begin and let's understand what SAP UI5 actually is. SAP UI5 stands for SAP User Interface for HTML5. It is a JavaScript-based front-end framework developed by SAP used to build modern, fast and responsive web apps. We use SAP UI5 to develop front-end applications that interact with SAP backend system like S/4HANA or OData services. Using SAP UI5, you can build clean UIs, high performance and fully responsive applications that work seamlessly across mobile, tablet and desktop devices. SAP UI5 is mainly based on HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, and an important design pattern called MVC, which is Model View Controller. Now, you might be wondering where is it used in real life? Let's look at a few examples. SAP UI5 is used for displaying employee list and creating purchase order forms or building an interactive business dashboard. Now that we got the basic idea of SAP UI5, let's move forward and talk about Fiori. Fiori is basically a design guideline. It's not a technology or framework. SAP created Fiori to make its apps simpler, more consistent, and more user friendly. Its main focus is to ensure that SAP applications have an interface so smooth that end users don't get confused and enjoy the experience. Fury defines how the app layout should look, what button styles and color schemes should be used, and how navigation should behave. In one line, we can say SAP UI5 is the technology and Fury is the design rulebook. Using SAP UI5, we build Fury style apps that follow these design principles for better user experience. Now that we understand both SAP UI5 and Fury, let's compare them side by side for better clarity. Let's now compare SAP UI5 and Fury in a simple table format so it becomes easier to understand the difference. SAP UI5 is a front-end framework while Fury is UX design guidelines. The purpose of SAP UI5 is to develop the web application and the purpose of Fury is to define the user experience. The technologies used in SAP UI5 is JavaScript, HTML and CSS, and the technologies used in Fury is conceptual design and approach. SAP UI5 is for developers and Fury is for end users. So basically, SAP UI5 is how you build the app, and Fury is how that app should look and behave. Let's now wrap the video and do a quick recap. In today's video, we covered what is SAP UI5 and what is Fury and why it is important and what is the difference between them. I hope now clearly understand the relationship between SAP UI5 and Fury.